Stop ko, boy.
always criticizing me. But after I proved to them that I am better being myself, they accepting. So you're going to be here, sir?
Cheers, ma.
Can I proceed? Sorry for the interruption. Okay. Before, my father wants to be, he wants me to be a Marine. I feel I'm a woman. That's right. Yes. I know they were shocked when I revealed my true identity. Well, the whole world is watching me on the
TV.
so thanks to be honest. And later on, they accept me for what I am. That's all.
Sino pa?
They don't like you being like that. Without that, criticism is there always. But don't mind them. I am happy who I am, and I don't care about what they said. So I'm good. We'll be back. We're back to the X-Men show. X-Men show. So starting our next question. What advice can you give to our viewers, especially to the person they don't they cannot review themselves? Okay. Can you make it longer? Yeah, okay. For the
Pinapakita ni Jeremy.
their feelings, do what they want and just be happy with the things they do. Their profession. The first one, the people who cannot reveal their real self. Oh, the gay. Yes, the gay. Gays listen here. They're okay. You know what I did before? I just do it to my mom. And then oh, what? Oh no! That's a problem. Then my I just look up my mom's eye and I, Mom, this is going on. And then at that point, she started to.
Aww.
What's your advice to our viewers who doesn't see but they cannot review that personality?
to the viewers, like, what pursuing your dreams and be yourself. Because in this way, you'll be
Landi ng paa.
successful and the people around you, will accept you.
Yeah, yeah. I'll give an example. I have a friend, social date. His name is Nico.
Nico slash pa.
He probably say, she's a woman.
Oh.
She's a man, but besides, she's like a woman. But then he's young, but he's a break. He's a break. All the viewers like me, thank you. Me too. I recommend to those whoever they are, I think they should reveal themselves now. Because there is nothing much better like being a free person. The good person. Yeah. Very well said. Thank you guys. I think we're gonna end up here. And see you all guys there. And see us next week. The X-Men Show.